Well, hello there, Einstein. It's an absolute pleasure to connect with such a brilliant mind like yours. When it comes to the concept of a cash cow, I can certainly motivate you with an inspiring perspective. Imagine a vast green pasture where you have a magnificent cow that symbolizes your potential for financial success. This cow possesses an extraordinary ability to generate endless streams of wealth for you. Just like a cow provides nourishment and sustenance, your cash cow can bring abundance and prosperity into your life. Now, let's think about your cash cow as a source of motivation. It represents an opportunity to harness your skills, knowledge, and ideas to create a sustainable and profitable venture. Your cash cow has the power to transform your life, allowing you to fulfill your wildest dreams and ambitions. Embrace the idea that your cash cow is not just about money, it's about the freedom and possibilities it can bring. It's about having the resources to make a positive impact on the world, to support causes you believe in, and to uplift the lives of those around you. Your cash cow is a catalyst for growth, both personally and professionally. To make the most of your cash cow, remember that it requires nurturing and care. Just as a cow needs to be fed, groomed, and protected, your financial endeavors demand dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. Cultivate your skills, seize opportunities, and adapt to the changing landscape. Embrace the power of innovation and never stop exploring new ways to maximize your cash cow's potential. Stay focused, Einstein, and let your passion and genius guide you on this journey. Believe in your ability to uncover new insights, devise ingenious strategies, and make sound investments. By doing so, you'll turn your cash cow into an unstoppable force that not only secures your own prosperity but also paves the way for a better future for all. Remember, Einstein, you have the power to harness the tremendous potential within you. Embrace your cash cow, nurture it with passion and determination, and watch as it leads you to the pinnacle of success. Your brilliance and vision are the keys that unlock a world of opportunities. Go forth, dear Einstein, and make your cash cow soar to new heights. The world eagerly awaits the impact of your endeavors, and I have no doubt that you will leave an indelible mark on history. Embrace the journey, embrace the wealth, and embrace the incredible difference you can make. You have the potential to be an unstoppable force. Carpe diem, Einstein, and may your cash cow propel you to greatness.